Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. It's always a pleasure being your host here at VectorVest. I try to keep you on the right side of the market and keep you informed on what's hot in the market. Now, we're seeing some optimism with the bulls. We're seeing the first green light appear in the color guard in quite some time. So tonight's presentation, we're going to go back into the drones and robotic stocks, and we're going to look at the top 5 undervalued or closest to undervalued drones and robotic stocks out there. The reason why, there's a lot of hype in this space, and we want to be able to keep you on the right side of the trade and keep you on the right side of that trade premium. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. All right, we're in the VectorVest software. We're taking a look at a watch list I created, robotics and drones. I did one video on this watch list before, taking a look at the ones with the greatest growth rate and earnings. Tonight's presentation, we're going to take a different look at these stocks. Now, there's 23 stocks on this list. Tonight's focus is just going to be on the top 5, the most undervalued stocks in this watch list, which we can see is LifeWord, Redwire Corp, UPath, ABB, and Stryker. Pressure is on today, 2 sell ratings, 3 hold ratings here. So we might just be able to find some opportunities, but this is why these stocks have my interest here. They're in a hot space. If we take a look down below, the value divided by price column, this is again on all 23 stocks in this list. Take a look, price action, 96, value on average, $46. You can see the ratio is at 0.48. These stocks have a lot more value. There's actually one undervalued stock in the list here being LifeWord. Overvalued company has a ratio of 0.85, much better than the average stock on the watch list. Now, I will say RT relative time and value is not a price target. It's just what we currently feel the stock is worth. So for example, LifeWord trading at 57 cents, we valued at 76 cents. Now these stocks were trading at a premium, but look at RT relative timing. This is our technical indicator. These indicators on a 0 to 2 scale, above 1 is favorable, below 1 is unfavorable. Right now, it's telling me that most of these stocks are feeling the pressure from the bears, but 2 of these stocks at 0.99 are at the oscillation point and might have some opportunities on the horizon. And if we focus at RV and RS, relative value, relative safety, these are fundamental indicators, pretty mixed ratings. That's why I want to focus on the value stocks within this robotics and drones list and see if there's any opportunities. So let's take a look at the charts. This holiday season, kick off your investment journey on the right path. Join VectorVest today. Just 99 cents gives you 30 days access to the world's most powerful investment software. Just go to vectorvest.com/YT to take advantage of the special offer. Just to break down the charts, across the top, we have a recommendation here, which you can see for the most part, a sell recommendation on this position. At no surprise with price action represented by the candlesticks, clearly moving upper left to lower right, exactly what you don't want for a steady Eddie position. And on top of that, our stop price also moving steadily lower, which is a 13-week moving average. And down below, we have RT relative timing, which looks at the short-term price trend, and our 12-month leading forecasted earnings per share. Now, just shown by RT or relative timing, the price pressure has been on this position. So let's check off value and see if there's actually any opportunities when it comes to the stock. And what I don't like here is value is dropping along with price action. So to really get excited, I'd like to see value tick up and really maybe take above the swing high here around 0.83, currently sitting at 0.76, because if value continues to tick lower, then you're not really getting a decent deal on this position. Also, if we use a freehand line, you can see a clear level of resistance right around 90 cents and a level of support around 49 cents. So price action is currently in a channel right now. So if you want to be bullish on this position, buy at the bottom end of the channel and use this as your stop criteria around 49 cents, maybe a couple cents. Hey, stay disciplined. Otherwise, if you want the confirmation to the upside, let's get price action above 90 cents. And more importantly, let's let the VectorVest system let us know it's okay and that the price trend is in favor of the bulls. Let's get RT back above 1. Now, if you do take this trade early, you really want the sales of the market behind you. So you don't want any red lights in the color guard. You want some green lights in that color guard and just stay disciplined. Otherwise, with forecasted earnings per share on the rise here, could potentially be a good play. But my biggest concern is just that value continues to decline and then the stock isn't really undervalued. Here is Redwire Corp. We can see the stock was trading at a premium. Here I had a level support support, which now will become a level of resistance. But look at the stock itself. Going from $20 now to about $5.39, the valuation $5.21. The stock was greatly overvalued, but now you're getting a fair price on this stock. Now, as far as the technicals, the sell rating is on. The momentum is there for the bears right now. RT's point is at 0.22, so there's a lot of magnitude behind that momentum. So be careful when trying to catch this falling knife. But yes, value opportunities are presenting themselves. And if the stock takes a hit, I mean, the stock could potentially go undervalued relatively easy. And earnings per share is negative once again here, and not quite moving nicely as the other stocks. So that does have me concerned. We want rising earnings companies with positive earnings here. But being in a speculative place, I could see why the premiums have already been baked in. Now here's UPath. Price action, not too bad. Did have a sell recommendation when price action dropped below our stop price. But look at the valuation, continues to tick up. We currently value the stock at $12.32. Right now it's trading at $13.62. So it is fairly valued, much better than trading around $18. In addition, if I use a horizontal line, I can see a nice level of support between 1207 and 1258. So I'd like to see price action stay above that. And more importantly, stay above our stop price to keep that momentum. Now, RT relative timing is below 1, so the trend is in favor of the bears right now. If you want some confirmation, wait for RT to get above 1. Currently sits at 0.79. Now, this earnings per share is probably the best I've seen out of these stocks. It's actually positive here. Nice lower left to upper right fashion when it comes to this 12-month leading EPS forecast. The next position here is ABBNY. I like the price action, lower left, upper right, value chasing this position here. Yes, it's overvalued, but the fact that value is trying to chase price action, I like what I see here. Now, I will say there could be some trouble ahead because look at RT relative timing dipping below 1 here, showing some favor for the bears. But RT is making its way back above 1. So if you want some confirmation here, hey, get RT back above 1, or you could take out this prior swing high, which comes in around $72.16. But just like the last stock, look at this earnings per share. Nice stair-step fashion, lower left, upper right. I do like the increase. And look, this stock as well, earnings per share, nice steady rise, lower left, upper right. As far as price action, as far as RT, yes, it's not there. I'd like to see this price action get a little bit closer to value. We're clearly in a downtrend here. If I just use a trend line, if we break above this trend line, yes, I could see a move to the upside. Otherwise, if we get some rejection here, could meet more downside pain. We only value the company at $314, currently trading at $371. So it is trading at a premium. So ideally, I'd like to see this stock at better deals and closer to our valuation. I hope everyone enjoyed this presentation, and more importantly, I hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving tomorrow with friends and family. Now, my name is Ryan. If you enjoyed tonight's presentation, hit the like button. If you're new and found it informative, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow evening. Good night.